Hello everyone. What is the minimum salary in North Korea? North Korea does not publish one clear national minimum wage for all workers. Official pay can depend on the job, workplace, and government sector. Many workers receive wages in North Korean won, but real income can also include food, housing, or other state support. Because of this, the legal minimum wage and the money people actually receive may be very different. Factory workers, public employees, and people in special economic zones may follow different pay rules. Some foreign invested areas can use separate wage agreements, often linked to US dollars. Reliable public data is limited, so a single national minimum salary is hard to confirm. The cost of living and access to goods also affect the value of wages. In simple terms, North Korea has no transparent nationwide minimum wage figure that can be verified easily. Please like the video and share your salary in comments. Thank you for watching.